This is so easy. Anybody can do this. If you're somebody where you want to lay a unit down but you've been nervous, trust me, you can do it.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Kristen and we are reviewing some hair today. This unit is from Ali Pearl Hair. It's a 13x4 transparent lace unit, and you guys, I feel like I'm falling in love with all of my recent units, but this one, I'ma just let y'all know right now, this one is so freaking fire. Let me tell you why. First and foremost, my first impressions of this is the hair is thick. So if you like a thick unit, definitely check this one out. I love to wear my units bone straight when I first get them. This hair straightened so easily. Like, I really struggle with getting them bone straight. I try really hard. I always feel like I have a kink here or there, but I feel like this unit was so easy to straighten. Now, famous last words, I'll probably turn around and have like a bump that I couldn't see, but it was so easy to straighten. I did this unit and styled this unit without baby hairs. I just honestly wanted it to be simple, very sleek, easy to take care of, easy to take on and take off. I put this down with the yellow can of freeze spray, which has become my new favorite thing, so I can put my units on and then take them off in a couple of days and don't have to worry about my edges or anything like that. So this has been like my new favorite way to do my units. Just get a braid down and put the unit on and call it a day. I'm about to walk you guys through really quickly though how I put the unit on, just the details, the little things that I perfected to make my units come out, in my opinion, as flawless as this. Like, I feel like this honestly is probably one of my best installs. Also because I really do struggle with the baby hairs. Y'all probably have peep game, but I do what I can, you know what I'm saying? But this was honestly probably one of my easiest, best installs. And I'm about to walk you through how you can do this for yourself too, especially if you're somebody like me who you're not an expert, but you just want to look good, okay? So no further ado, let's get into it. All the details for this unit though will be in the description box down below. Definitely go check it out. If you have questions, comments, whatever, please comment them below in the comment section as well. But let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I did, like I said, my hair was already braided down. I've had my hair braided for probably the last 2 weeks. I love it because it is easy for me to pop my wigs on and off, and my hair is growing underneath, which I really can appreciate. Y'all just don't understand. When I cut my hair to do the big chop, I was like in need of that cut. So it's nice that I have nice healthy hair growing underneath these units. But long story short, I was already braided down. I put my cap on, sprayed it down with the freeze spray, and then I dried it all the way, and then I cut all the excess cap off, okay? Make sure your cap is all the way dry. Don't be like me where you mess up sometimes and you start cutting back when it's not all the way dry. Save yourself some headache. Wait till it's dry and then cut it all the way back to your hairline. Don't expose your hairline, but cut it all the way back. Once we do that, we're going to fit the wig to our heads. I went ahead and I cut the ear flaps back first. That makes sure that the unit fits me perfectly. I really think I did a fire job, y'all. I have this thing glued down all the way behind my ears, not behind my neck, but behind my ears. And then I just start spraying from one side and working my way all the way across the front to the middle and then down to the other side. And then I did the other ear flap to get the whole unit laid down. Y'all, I tell you, don't rush it, just spray it. Blow it dry so it's all the way dry and just keep going around. This is so easy. Anybody can do this. If you're somebody where you want to lay a unit down but you've been nervous, trust me, you can do it. Now, one thing I didn't do that you could do, but I feel like it still looks good nonetheless, I didn't do any tweezing of this unit. I didn't even tweeze the part in the middle for my part, mainly because I really want to be able to switch this up and wear it in different ways. So I just said, you know what? We're not gonna tweeze the part. We're just gonna let the part be, okay? We're gonna let the part be, let it breathe. And then that way I can do a side part. I can do, you know, the other side part, go without a part, whatever, okay? So I didn't do any of that. This, y'all, fire, okay? But one thing you do want to do to make sure your hair looks really flat is take that same freeze spray and spray it over the top of your unit, and take one of those hot combs. I have the kind that you plug into the wall. Take that, lay it down, okay? You're gonna lay down that part to make sure the part stays where it needs to. Make sure your hair stays as flat as it can, as flat as you need it. I also, because I'm just wearing this back, no baby hairs, whatever, we keeping this real simple, a real simple bust down. I just went ahead and did the flat iron to basically push everything back. I don't have not a hair in the front, okay? If I do, it's not on purpose. But overall, y'all, like I said, this is so easy. It was so easy to install. I love the look. It's very classy, clean, sophisticated looking. I'm for sure gonna be wearing this to work on camera. Y'all know I don't go into the office, but I will be wearing this on camera. I like to do mine day one, as I mentioned, very straight, bone straight, but I will add curls as I wear the hair for a couple of days, just because I feel like it's easier to do the curls, especially because when I sleep and I wrap my hair, I kind of get that bump in the back, so I can hide the bump in the back with the wand curl, okay? But unfortunately, because I didn't curl, I can't really speak to the curls, but I'm assuming the curls will probably be fire because this thing straightened so easily. Like, this hair just seems like it would be easy to manipulate, and I'm just absolutely loving it. It does feel like relaxed hair, like very thick relaxed hair, and once you get it relaxed from being really thick, it just doesn't look thin or anything like that. Like, this just looks really good. So overall, I definitely will give this 2 thumbs up. I have a few units that are my faves that I kind of keep to the side, that I switch up and wear pretty frequently, and I definitely think that this is going to be one of those units that ends up in that pile. It just didn't shed a lot. I didn't really have anything negative to speak on for this unit. I'm just honestly, y'all, in love. It is very long though, so if you want to go shorter than me, you can. I'm really quickly though, I'm going to let y'all know exactly how long mine is. So this one was 24 inches. It's the straight HD lace 13x4 200 density unit. It's very long, okay? This is super long. It's almost to my butt. You do not have to go that long. I would love to work with them again and try some other units, or even a shorter one, just to see how I feel about it. But overall, you guys, I'm like absolutely freaking in love with this unit. So 2 thumbs up for me. If you watch my weekly vlogs, I'm sure will see this hair in my weekly vlog. Again, it's going in the good pile, okay? So there's that. But as I mentioned, if you guys have any comments, questions, whatever the case may be, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Also, if you decide to get this unit, come back and let me know your thoughts. Let me know your initial thoughts, your thoughts after you have worn it, because I always want to know your feedback as well. But long story short, I like the unit. I like the company. I would definitely be open to working with them again. I hope to be able to work with them again, and I'm feeling like a bad bitch, okay? So you know how it is when you feel good, you get yourself all the way together, and you definitely are loving what you see. So that's how I'm feeling right now. But let me know how you guys like this unit on me. Also, if you are newbie to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and become a part of my community, my K-Star community, so you do not miss any of my content in the future. I would love to have you. We do vlogs and a whole bunch of other content over here, so definitely tune in and become connected to me. But with that, y'all, this is it. I done spilled all the tea. So I'm gonna let you guys get back to it, but thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. You are the real MVP. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye-bye.